education program. Myself is Smita Gandhi and I am working at Mumbai Public School, Exer Tale Pakhari English, MCGM, our central goal. Today's topic is to make online games and use them as teaching learning material in online education. I would like to thank respected EOS Palkar sir, who has started BMC Edu channels for all mediums and for all standards from 1st to 10th standard. So all teachers got an opportunity to learn new innovative methods of teaching learning methods, and also all the students also got an opportunity to see videos and watch the videos on different YouTube channels, BMC Edu YouTube channels. So it is very useful for teaching learning process. So thank you, sir. I would like to thank Superintendent, respected Superintendent Madam, respected Sir, our AO Madam, respected BO Madam, Umbre Madam. When Madam has called me to give online lectures for BMC Edu Marathi medium for standard 6 English subject, I was very nervous and I was not at all confident. But then Madam told that you can do it, you try. And when I started lessons, I was not knowing how to make the PPTs, how to give transition effect, animation effect. But I started learning through YouTube videos, through Google, and now I'm still learning. I want to do better and better day by day. I want to thank our principal madam, respected Dharmaja madam. Today I'm here only because of her. She always motivates, inspires, and increases my confidence. When the lockdown period started, from the beginning, she is always with us in our group. She, madam, observes all the videos, all the activities of the teachers and give comments. And we all teachers tries to do our best to get the word of appreciation from our madam, and she always guides and motivates all the teachers. So I am very thankful to the madams, because whatever I have achieved till now in this year is due to our madam. I want to thank our staff members, MPS, Exer Tale English, MCGM staff. It is a unity of our school. We all teachers are trying to do our best in this online education program. Our madam has started a new concept every time. We have started sending the good thoughts. All teachers are divided this work month-wise, and we are sending in our groups. Whole school is doing this project, and many other projects are also carried by suggested by our madam, and we are following that. So thanks a lot, madam. Many students are getting benefits of your ideas. I thank my co-partner, Kirtida teacher, who always encourages me, inspires me, motivates me, and I get confident to give my lessons properly. So thanks to everyone. I want to thank Nisha Salunke madam also as a CNO. I appreciate her work because she daily sends the timetable in the group. She is very polite. She also motivates me, encourages everyone to give the lectures efficiently. And after the lecture also, comments are given in the group. So really appreciated, and thanks Nisha madam, Yogini madam also. As usual, I start my lesson with the good thought. Today's date is Saturday, 27th March 2021, and today's thought is nothing is impossible. Even impossible says I am possible. And this has become true for myself. When I started the lecture, I was not knowing anything about how to make the PPT, how to insert the slides, how to insert the link give the animation effect. But then I decided to learn, and now I have learned a little bit. That knowledge I want to share with all of you, as I believe in, as we share, we learn more and more. Knowledge is caring and sharing. First of all, I would like to share some of my games which I have included in my lessons, because many of you have not the members of the BMC Edu English. So first of all, I will give ideas about what are the games which we can include in our lessons. Students, today's thought. Raise your hand and you give an answer. This is the very good. For the fantasy, I am the best. So I believe I can do it. God is always with me. Can you hear? I am a winner, and today is my day. Is it audible, students? So you can keep this in your house and read daily. Speak to yourself. This will develop your self-confidence. Madam, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
We will start our key. So I will share the game. So are you ready? In the game, topic of the game. The topic of the game is choose the suitable word. This I have made with the help of the one website that I'm going to share with you.
Suitable word. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, choose the suitable word. You have to choose the suitable word. You have to read the questions and you have to find out the proper answer, suitable answers. We can take the advantage of this twice the score. Read the question. I eat carrots.
Saras the sasa.
Very good. Saras the sasa. He eats carrots and greens. Greens means green vegetables. So the score is 100. Time bonus 119. We have got opportunity to double our scores. Now the question number 2. Read the question.
Shop at deep blue sea near Ocean Island.
Which is the shop?
Underwater Marine Curio Shop.
Very good. Very good. Underwater Marine Curio Shop. Okay, earlier our score was 238 and now it has become 308 plus bonus points, so 350. Now the question number 3. Read the question.
If you break your dash, my goods will come back to me.
Very good. No, if you break, see what Granny Gunabai told everyone, if you break your dash,
promise.
Very good. If you break your promise, all goods will return. So we have to be honest. We have to be every time truth. Never tell lie. And never break your promises. Students are getting the bonus round also. Received bonus round. Very good. Very so excitement for the students. They love to play this game. They participate in this game activity. Tell me which card should I select?
Second.
Okay, let's see. Very nice. You will get your score thrice. It will be multiplied with 3.
4.
Read the question.
We are loaded with vitamin A, B and C. Carrot.
Very good. Carrots are loaded with the vitamin A, B and C. So instead of eating cake, chocolate, you can eat carrot juice, carrot buns, carrot cakes, carrot pizza, carrot biryani. See, very nice. Your score has become 816 points. Very nice. Now the question number 5. Read the question.
If you want to be a brave
Okay, like this way, the game continues. and then we can write our name in the leaderboard also.
Education Standard 6.
I have
No?
written the name BMC Standard 6. This is the another game. Braveheart, latest, steep. What is the meaning of newest? You have to
Newest.
correct word. Latest. Latest. Very good.
Match
A
the words
brave
with the
person.
meanings.
A very brave person.
Braveheart.
Very good. Braveheart. Very good. Need
Student
very
actively
much.
participates in the
I
game.
need it very much. Desperately need. Desperately need. Nowadays, everyone desperately need the mobile phone as they want to attend the Zoom meeting. Very high. My charges are very high.
Stop.
And if you want to get the highest mark in the exam,
Top my class.
Stop my
for
class.
practice, top in my class, top my class. So latest means newest, braveheart, a very brave person, desperately need means need very much, steep, very high, top my class, get the highest mark in my class. Very good. So you have done excellently well. Now the other game. Activity. Last time we have done this activity. Jumbled words are given.
First
You
I
have
am
to
giving
make
you
the
ideas about
meaningful
which type
sentence.
of the games
So are
we
you
can
ready,
use.
students? You have to arrange the words to make the
meaning
The
sentence.
words to make meaningful sentences.
Okay.
Arrange the words.
Tell me this, which is
Love.
I love carrots.
very good. I
I
love
love
carrots. Okay. Now the next.
I
am jellyfish.
I am Jenny Jellyfish. Very
With the
good.
help
The
of the
next
activities
sentence.
and the games, students enjoy the joyful education,
I
activity-based
make-
education.
I
make
make your
your
dreams come true. Who says this? Granny Gunabai told everyone, I make your dreams come true.
I love children. I love
children. Yes, Granny Gunabai told that I love children. What we have to do? What Granny Gunabai tells us? You will
love
always
and
respect nature. You will always love
You
and
will
respect
always
nature.
love and
You
respect
won't waste
For the
Okay.
arrange the jumble
Next.
words. The next
is the pronoun. Third,
is a verb.
action word.
word. Verb. Okay, very good. Verb. One second.
Is we.
Yes, we. Yes.
And ma'am, last is noun.
Very good. Last is
Yes.
okay.
Noun.
Yes. Name of a
Noun.
place, person,
Name
thing,
of
bird,
place.
or the animal. These
Num-
are known as the
Name of
noun.
place,
So
So we can use this
Noun.
puzzle game also in our
bird,
lessons.
animal. Noun. Noun.
Noun. Okay. So remember this. Name of a place, person, thing, or bird, animal is known as the noun. Word that describes the noun is known as the adjective. Word in the place of the noun are known as the pronoun. And
Pronoun.
word. You are listening. I am speaking. So these are the action word. These are known as the verb. Now we have to play other game based on this. You have to select and
We can sort into different
and you
groups.
have to arrange them in the proper groups. These words I have selected from the lesson. Fantastic shops. Put in the proper group. Okay, so these are the list of the words. You have to arrange them in the proper group. First word is you. Pronoun. Very good. You means pronoun. You are all. You are attending the meeting. You are answering the questions. Air proof.
Air proof.
Air proof. I want air proof watch. Adjective. It is describing. Pronoun. Very good. Very good. Digital.
Adjective.
Very good. Very good. Adjective. Granny Gunabai.
Granny.
Noun.
Very good.
Noun.
Shells. It is a
Shells.
things.
Adjective. Noun.
Noun. Name of the things.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Noun.
Name of the animal. It.
Eat.
Pronoun. Very beautiful. Pronoun.
I pronoun.
I. Pronoun. Very good. Nutritious.
Natural.
Noun.
Noun.
Adjective.
It is loaded with different nutritious, delicious.
Adjective.
Nutritious is the adjective. Carrot.
Noun.
Noun. The vegetable. Noun. This is
My
my
pronoun.
Very good. Students are eagerly giving the answers. Jellyfish.
Noun.
And with the help of the games, so you have understood easily remember. As I
very
well. What are noun, pronoun, when adjective, fresh, carrot juice.
Adjective.
Watch.
What? Adjective.
Noun. Watch is the name of the thing. They will get
We.
the response of the answers also.
Pronoun.
They have given correct answer. Cold. I want cold carrot juice.
Adjective.
Yes, and beautiful.
Adjective.
Adjective. Very
Now when
good.
we submit the
Students.
answers, we get the
Now we will submit our answers and we will check whether you have done correctly. You all are excellent students. You are doing your
the game
performance
is with
very
music
well.
also. So
Very
children
good
love this game.
Madam, next game.
Okay.
Sentences.
Now
Yes,
other,
teacher.
this is the other game. Types of the sentences.
Type of sentence definition.
Okay.
I will explain all the games, how to make these games.
We have already studied last time. A sentence that makes a statement, relay information. These type of the sentence are known as the, that is ends with the full stop. They are known as the declarative sentence. Next, a sentence that gives an order, command or request. They are known as the imperative sentence. Next, read the sentence. Read the sentence.
A sentence that asks a question.
Yes.
Question mark.
Interrogative
Very good.
sentence.
Interrogative sentence. And the last one is, so remember all these four type of the sentence. We have to solve the puzzle
A
also.
sentence that shows strong emotion or
Excitement.
excitement.
Exclamatory
Excitement.
sentence. These are known as the exclamatory sentence. Now we will solve one puzzle based on this. Okay.
Puzzle 2.
Crossword puzzle.
First one is a sentence that gives an order, command or request. They are known as the
Interrogative sentence.
a sentence that gives an order, command or request. They are known as the imperative sentence. Do your homework.
Imperative
Listen
sentence.
carefully. Teacher is giving you instruction or the command or the request. Please be quiet. Sit properly. So these type of the sentence are known as the imperative. Next one is sentence that relays information. Statement.
Information.
Today is Saturday. So this is a statement. These are
Information.
known as the declarative.
Declarative.
These statements are known as the declarative. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow will be Sunday. You are attending Zoom meeting. So these are
Exclamatory.
sentence or statement. Third one. Read.
Exclamatory mark.
Very good. Sentence that show. See, we have to write the type of the sentence. We have to write the type of the sentence. So which type of the sentence?
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory. Very good. Exclamatory sentence. We are writing the type of the sentence. Okay. Next, last one. Sentence that asks questions.
Interrogative.
Very good.
Interrogative.
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 Is the voice audible now? Very good. Very good, students. So remember, now other game we have to solve based on. Teacher, I want to ask, is it very clear now? Sound is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
On this, we have to play other game based on the type of the sentences. I have selected the questions from your sentences from the lesson, Fantastic Shops.
Type of sentence.
Type of sentence.
This is the other, I am showing the different ideas.
Select
how
the
which
correct
different
type
types
of
of the games.
sentence.
Select the correct type of the sentence. I will open the box and you have to select the correct type of the sentence. Whether it is a declarative, means that it ends with the full stop. If it is a interrogative, it will end with the question mark. If it is exclamatory, it ends with the exclamation mark. First one, I can give you a set of 4.
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamation sentence.
Okay, very good. Next, we eat carrots and greens.
We had carrots and
Declarative sentence.
Yes, it is a statement. It gives a message. It gives information. We eat carrots and greens. My dream is to top my class in English.
Declarative.
Very good. Next. Please don't laugh at me.
don't like it me.
Imperative.
Yes,
Imperative.
request. This is request. Please
Imperative.
don't laugh at me. So this is request. Imperative sentence. Very good. Next.
Can I
Can I try this pink shell
Can I try this pink shell bracelet? Interrogative. Question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. Very good, students.
promise that you will read the book?
the books.
Imperative. Yes, promise.
Imperative
Request,
sentence.
giving an order. Promise that you will read the books. Imperative sentence. Who wants the promise? Granny Gunabai. And your teacher also wants promise from you that you will read, you will practice.
Come
Compare.
inside and take a look.
Come inside and take a look.
Declarative sentence.
Imperative. Come inside. She's telling her Demi jellyfish. Come inside and take a look. It's the latest digital one.
Digital one.
Exclamatory sentence.
Yes, it's the latest digital one. The octopus wanted the watch, so it tells that
Exclamatory
it's
sentence.
digital one. Ready for the next box? Are you ready?
Yes, please.
Yes.
teacher.
Take your pick.
Yes.
Imperative sentence.
Yes, take your pick.
Imperative sentence.
Giving command or order or request. That is the imperative. The last one is
Do
you
you have daily carrots?
Interrogative
interrogative sentence. Very good, students.
Interrogative
So
sentence.
all correct answers. All of you clap for yourself. Okay. So these many types of the games I use in my daily lecture.
Madam, the
You can
आम्हा आपण
go through
शिक्षकांचं एक
the.
सेशन ठेवूया आणि मग
Okay.
27 तारखेला शिक्षकांना आपण वेळ देऊया
Okay.
सकाळच्या सेशन मध्ये संध्याकाळची
ठीक. So you can watch BMC Edu Marathi Standard 6th lessons to get more information, more types of the games which I have included in my lesson. Now I will explain you how to make these games. These are the different type of the game. This I will show you. Here there is, I have included random also. Before we start game, I will ask you some few questions. Okay, students. Um, Now teacher has given you homework, but you don't have pencil. So how you will do the, what you will do? Where you will go to buy pencil?
On the shop.
Very good. To the shop. Okay.
Shop.
Suppose your grandfather is not feeling well. Okay. And he wants some medicine. So which shop you will go?
Medical.
Yes, very good. Medical shop. Okay, very good. So now we will play one game. Okay. You know where we have to go to buy different things. So
Yes.
you want to play game, students?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So now we will start game. Okay. Read this. So like this, we will
Ganesh.
watching this.
Laptop.
Yes, very good. Laptop. Okay. This
Books.
books. This is
Kids.
okay. And we can write our name also on the shop. Okay. And you have to tell me which is the common ingredient in this shop. Okay. Read this name.
Carrot.
Carrot pudding. That was carrot pudding. Okay. Now read the name. Read this name. Diced carrot. Diced carrot. You play with the game, na dice. So this is the. Is it sweet or bitter? So we can make different ideas according to our the content or the lesson we are taking. Suppose in the science there is a chapter or characteristics of living things, so we can write in the random wheel the name of the different characteristics like reproduction, respiration, response to stimuli, and students will get practice to read and they will remember easily when they play with the games. Now the next.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now I will come to the point how to make online games. To make online games, in Google you have to type wordwall.net. Wordwall. Just you have to type wordwall. Then you have to log in. There is some options here. Create activity. We can create activity. There are different types of the activities. Name is given here. Matchup, open the box, quiz, random wheel. Just now I showed you. Matchup, quiz we have taken. Open the box already I have shown you how to take this activity. Random cards, unjumble. The sentence given in the words I have not jumbled. Then we have to arrange the words to make a meaningful sentence. Then the game show quiz. So different types of the games are here. Now how to create this game? See, we can make the games like this. Okay, first of all, we have to select the title. So I have taken this game as select the correct national symbols. Okay, then there are options, box with the questions or simple boxes. Then we have to type our question. I have taken the simple one. We can make the questions as per our lesson. A national bird. I'm writing again, national bird. Suppose I am writing peacock. Then we can select the pictures also. When here there is a sign to select the picture. So I click on that. There are different pictures for the peacock. Whichever you want, you can click on that. And the picture will come here. The second picture I have selected of the sparrow. So any sparrow we can select. Now you suggest me any one other name for the bird, national bird. Which options we can give? You can unmute yourself.
हँड राईज करा मग सांगते.
Suggest me any bird which as an option we can give.
प्लीज टीचर हँड राईज.
Parrot.
Okay. So I will write the name parrot. Very good. Now I will insert the picture. Any picture you can take. Okay, one more.
Eagle. Eagle.
Okay, eagle. Okay. Okay, now then we have to select on the correct option. So peacock is the correct. So I will mark peacock right. Then we can write as the national tree. Banyan, bamboo trees, any other tree? Suggest any other name. Mango. One more name, please. Yes, teacher.
Coconut.
Okay. Thank you. Coconut. Now we can add items. Now you tell me what should I write? The question. We have taken the national symbols. Then national tree, national bird. What else?
विषय कोणता आहे?
Yes. Yes, teachers. National river. Now I am writing the name as Brahmaputra.
National flower.
Okay, national flower. Okay, now tell me the options, madam. Please tell me the options.
Ganga Nadi. Ganga River.
I have taken national flower.
A flower.
Rose. Rose.
Then, okay, rose. I will select. Okay, I will select the picture of a rose. Next, lotus. Next,
Tulip.
Okay. Okay, mogra. Tulip. And then tulip. We can give as many options we want. Okay, now what is the correct answer? National flower.
Lotus.
Okay. Okay. National tree. Yes, give me the answer. National tree. Banyan.
Yes.
Okay. And last one is the national bird. So national bird is peacock. Okay. I forgot to this. So now we can write our name on the leaderboard. RC ward and PN ward. So not allowing more this. Okay, like this way we can enter our name also. Okay, now how to this is private. Okay, this is sign is here. This is lock sign. So first of all, I have to make it public. Make public. Then we can add the title, age band, add subject, add a topic like this way, and then publish. And then we have to copy this, and then we can paste in our WhatsApp group. Okay, okay, I will paste okay, later on you can paste it on your WhatsApp group. Now the next game. Yes, we have made this. I will show you how to change the themes. So we can go to the edit content. If you want to add any questions, you can go to your login. You can do login and then you can change the questions. You can change the options. Change the name of this game. Then we can name this game. So these are the different games. Open the box, anagram, find the match, flip tiles, match up, matching pairs, random cards, random wheel, word search, quick quiz, etc. Now I am taking another activity, unscramble the words. I will select the activities. I have to go here, create activity. I am selecting this, unjumble. Okay, now we have to give the title, arrange the words. To make a meaningful sentence. Okay. Now tell me any word, any sentence. Tomorrow is a tomorrow. Tomorrow is. Teachers, you can give your ideas. Are you enjoying this lesson? Then you can give your ideas. Teachers, give one sentence. You can unmute yourself and give answer.
हेलो,
Please raise your
हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं आप. हेलो टीचर्स, हैंड रेज कीजिए.
Give me one sentence. Today is Saturday. Okay, next sentence.
Tomorrow is holiday.
Okay, enjoy. Tomorrow is.
I love my teacher.
Third, I love my teacher. Now I will show you with the help of these three sentences. See here. So quickly the games are made and it is very easy. So we have to use these words. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is a holiday. By mistake, I have written this comma. Okay, I love my teacher. Again, we have chance to write the names in the leaderboard. This also we can use different. I love my teacher. Here the words order only. So for the unscramble word, we have to use this only, unjumble. This activity, unjumble. Okay. then again I have to make this as a public. When you make it public, then only you will be able to get the chance to share with the students. Okay, now I will explain you how to insert this link in your PowerPoint presentation. Anything else you want to ask till now? What I have shared with you? Any questions? Teachers, कुछ पूछना है?
Repeat again.
हाँ?
Slowly and repeat again.
क्या?
आपने अभी जो बताया ना वो
हाँ.
again
Again repeat.
I want to say कि जो sentence जो jumbling sentence था and how will make it how will bring the words in proper order as the students will answer, but how we will bring it to the proper order.
वो है ना, अपने आप वो शिफ्ट हम लोग कर सकते हैं. आई एम शोइंग यू. मतलब वी हैव टू गिव गेम्स बनाने के समय वी हैव टू राइट इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर ओनली. आई लव माय टीचर. फिर वो जो गेम वर्ड वॉल है वेबसाइट, वो उनको अनजम्बल कर देता है एंड वी हैव टू ब्रिंग इट एट प्रॉपर प्लेसेस. आई विल शो यू.
हेलो मैम, आपका माइक बंद हो गया है.
तो अभी फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूं क्या मैम?
हेलो.
हाँ हाँ मैडम.
हाँ मैम, अभी माइक बंद हुआ था आपका.
ओके ओके, तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ वो गेम. We will write here word wall. And then already I am logged in. So I will go to my activities. अभी तक मैंने 2 एक्टिविटीज यहाँ पे आपके साथ शेयर किया है. सो अरेंज द वर्ड, एडिट कंटेंट. ओके, गिव मी वन मोर सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे हम लोग कैसे सेंटेंस लिखते हैं? वी हैव टू राइट द सेंटेंस इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर ओनली. गिव मी वन सेंटेंस. I am working at Exeter Talepakhadi. This is my sentence. Okay, I am working at Exeter Talepakhadi, English MCGM. Now, see this. We have to give instruction to the student. The name of the game is arrange the words to make a meaningful sentence. And what you have to do in this game, drag and drop words to rearrange each sentence into its correct order. Here also we can, different things are there, different designs are there. Today is Saturday. I am moving with my hands. Tomorrow is a holiday. I love my teacher. I am working at Exeter Talepakhadi, English MCGM. Okay. So here I will show you different designs are there. You can select whichever design you like. And the design has changed. Okay. Whichever design and color you want, you can select that. Yes, anything else? Yes, any doubts? Actually, teachers want to know how the words shift. You try, you make one game like this and you will come to know. It works automatically. It will, when you try now, you will come to know. This is very easy. I am moving with my hands. I am moving with my hands, fingers. Anything else, teachers? Okay, now I will explain you how to insert these links. Okay, thanks. Okay. मैडम टीचर्स को अनम्यूट कीजिए ना, कुछ उनको डाउट है क्या कि अभी आगे पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन?
ओके करती है, हाँ ओके करती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगा आपको कुछ और पढ़ाना है. ओके, आता अनम्यूट व्हा आणि विचारा आपल्या काही शंका असतील.
हा, हॅलो नमस्कार मॅडम, खूप छान सांगताय गांधी मॅडम. मोबाईलवर पण आपण हे सगळं करू शकतो का? हॅलो हॅलो मॅडम, हॅलो.
येस, हाँ मॅडम, मोबाईल वर भी करू शकतो.
ओके ओके,
स्क्रीन शेअरिंग करून दाखवू क्या? मोबाईल वर पण होत.
हो चालेल चालेल, दाखवलं तर बरं होईल.
ओके, दाखवते.
मोबाईल वर करत असताना आवाज पण येईल का?
हो, कसला आवाज?
म्हणजे आता आपण गेम मध्ये जे वेगवेगळे
हाँ आएगा.
येस, चालू असताना येईल ना? ते विचारते मोबाईल वर.
हो. I am showing with the mobile. In the Google, you have to type word wall.
Please stay, huh? Hey, come. Sir. Wow.
Then here it is given login option.
With that, the चित्र like WhatsApp.
Okay. Now I am creating one more activity. Here the options are given. My activities, my result. When a student will solve, you can see how many students have solved this activity, and you can see the their ranks or their score in the leaderboard. Create activity. I will go to the option create activity. Then, okay, I will choose this group sort. we can just now I had shown you how to group the nouns, pronoun, and adjectives like this way. I'm taking this topic for science. Suppose living and non-living things. Okay, in the group 1, I will give the title as living things. Done. Here also I can select the pictures, living things. I am selecting the first picture, living things. Then I will give some examples. Suppose the animal, we can animal, then I will add the item, birds, then people. Anything else you want to add? Give me your ideas. Trees. Okay, now I will pictures also. Yes, pictures also. We can write instead of animal, we can give the name of any animal, like suppose lion. So I will select the picture of lion. Okay, down next birds. Instead of bird, I am writing the name of one bird. And I will select the picture. Then I will write the name as suppose I have written the name Tanmay. Then any boy picture we can say I have selected this picture. Then instead of trees, I am writing a mango tree. So mango, sorry, I will write mango tree. Okay. Okay. Now next, group 2, non-living things.
A stone.
This we will select the pictures of the non-living things. This, okay, stone. It is a very useful site because they are giving us instantly the pictures also. So very helpful and very easy to make this stone.
Pot.
Huh?
Pot.
House.
Ice.
House.
House. Okay.
Table.
House. Next. Table. Okay. Okay. Table.
Fan. FM fan.
Huh?
Fan.
Fan.
Okay. Fan, cupboard. Fan. Okay. Now we can add more groups also, but for living and non-living things, 2 groups. Now our game is ready within a second. Okay. Living things. So in which group I should place the this table? See, I'm moving with my hands only. Living, non-living things. Table, non-living things. Stone.
Non-living thing.
Non-living. Sparrow.
Living thing.
Living things. Fan.
Non-living thing.
Tanmay.
Suppose someone wrong answer then.
Okay, then it will lastly they will come to know the answers. Now I'm submitting I have given the wrong this. Okay, when they will submit the answer now, that time they will come to know that this answer is wrong. See. Okay, got it? Now I can change the themes also. This is very this is also one theme or design we can say. The questions are the same. Living things, stone, non-living things, house, non-living things, fan, Tanmay, sparrow, animal, mango tree, table. Okay, now I am submitting the answer. Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Mobile. Okay. Okay. So many themes. So every time we can give students different this. So they will enjoy. Okay. And the jungle theme is also very good. Yes, this is the jungle theme. Fan, non-living things. Tanmay, house, stone, animal, cable, sparrow. Okay, but don't forget to publish this. Now see here, there are different options also. Timer is given, layout is given, then different layout each play. Then there is a leaderboard. Okay. Yes. Now I'm. Anything else, teachers? Teachers, anything else you want to ask?
Ma'am, we can use this app for all subjects.
A word wall is the game which you have to create by yourself with your ideas. Suppose you are giving questions for maths, then you can frame, you have to make you have to frame the questions according to the subject which you are going to take the game. अगर साइंस लिया है तो मैंने साइंस रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स लिए हैं. And one more website I want to share with you. Okay, please share more sites name. Okay, I'm sharing that. This is also very useful site. Many teachers must be using this, but for those who are not using, I would like to share liveworksheets.com. This is liveworksheets.com. See, here also you have to log in first. Then whatever see home, this is make interactive worksheet, make interactive workbooks. You can make your own worksheets also. If you are not able to make the worksheets, then यहाँ पे जो भी दिया है worksheet, you can make use of that. Suppose I am writing the topic as noun. Okay, यहाँ पे सब subjects का worksheet you will get. Okay, noun. See, so many topics related, worksheets related to noun, and these all worksheets are interactive worksheet, live worksheets. I have selected this worksheet. Grammar quiz. See, the question is drag and drop each noun in correct column. Ball. So it is a thing. Next, beach. Yes, it is a place, name of the place. Carnival. This is also a place. Where should I put?
Place.
Person. No, carnival. Carnival, circus type.
Person.
No.
No. It's a place.
Wait, frog. Okay, frog, animal. Then astronaut is a person. Cap, the name of the thing.
Baby person.
Students are doing very nicely. Baby.
Person.
I think there is another box. Tiger.
Animal.
Okay, we will try the next one, and then click on the noun in each sentence. My bike is blue. So what is the noun? Bike. So I've clicked on. Bike. Can we go to the zoo? Zoo. And then we have to finish. And then we can check our answers. Now I'm selecting the other. Suppose the adjective. Then I will go with the maths also. I will show you maths also. Adjective. See, this is the adjective. Choose the right adjective according to the picture. So tall or short? Tall. Young.
Tall. First one is tall.
First,
Old.
old. Third,
Third, ugly.
fourth, strong.
It's strong.
Fifth, thin,
In,
small,
small,
short,
short. And last one is fat.
there also big,
Handsome.
young,
Yeah.
and weak. Now we can check our answers. Finish. Now we can check our answers. See, and you can share this link like this. You can copy paste and then share on in your WhatsApp group also. My students are daily solving this quiz and they are liking it very much. Now I'm on math subject. Suppose fraction. See, these are the different fractions. Circle the correct fraction from the given boxes. Double voice is coming. Okay, now next, which is the correct answer?
1/3.
Yes, next. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3/6.
5 upon 6.
6.
And the
3
last one
upon
is
6.
3 upon 6. Now we will check our answers. Sometimes here there was some mistake, and here I think we have not done this also. So that is why. About the integers. Addition. For the smaller children, addition. 2-digit addition with regrouping. 6 plus 6. Here we have to write this 2. And here 1. 1 carryover. So 7 plus 1 plus 8. 9. Next. 7 plus 7. 1 carryover.
Carryover.
Yes. 5 plus 3 plus 8. 1 plus 1. 9.
9.
Next. 5 plus 6. 11.
11. 1 carryover 1.
And
4.
1 plus 3.
4.
6 plus 4. 10. 1 carryover. So for smaller children, they will love these games. 1 plus 1 plus this. 7 plus 5, 12. Carryover.
9.
And 9 plus 9, 18.
18. 1 carryover.
1 carryover. 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, 7. So here while doing the typing mistake, I have made this mistake. 91. 5 plus 3 is only 9. And 1 carryover 90. Instead of 9, I have written 914. So that answer went wrong. So like this way, instantly we get the answers. And there are many subjects. All subjects worksheet are available in this. Okay. Anything else, teachers, you want to know?
Ma'am, Smita madam.
Yes.
Like you are showing us how live you are playing. So if we forward this worksheet to our children,
yes,
they can also they will also present this way only, live only.
Yes, you can share the link. Suppose I am sharing the link in our YouTube, and I'm showing you how it works.
Okay, thank you. No, but Acha, we have to share a link, not the worksheets. Like,
yeah, we have to share the links. Subtraction. See, I'm now about the subtraction. I have taken this 4 plus 1. Okay, I'm sharing the link. Okay, for this I'm sharing the link with you. Control C, and then I will go to the WhatsApp group. You can copy paste there. Are you there in the YouTube? Which group you are? Where should I send? Okay. RC what? Which group? Okay, I am only I am sending this, and I will show you from my. I have shared the link. See, wait for a second, then you will get the title also. Now I am using my this mobile, and I will show you. YouTube. So when the students will click on the link, now they will get this 4 plus 1. So they will write the answer. 5. Okay, like this way.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, anything else, teachers?
Hello.
Ha, madam.
तुम्ही मगाशी सांगत होता ना how to insert that game link
okay.
into the PowerPoint presentation.
Okay. I'm stop कर रही हूँ मैं. How to insert the link? Okay. See, this is my presentation. I am taking new slide, and then whenever we have to insert the link now, that time first you have to insert the text box or you have to write anything. So I am writing this. I have selected the word art and I am writing here. Game. Okay, then I am selecting the pictures also. We can select the pictures. Online pictures are also available from the stock images. So here I am writing game. So many pictures are available. So I will select this picture and I will insert this. We can select any design which we want. Suppose I'm taking this, then I can make this slide bigger. Okay. Now whatever I want to insert, first I will select this. Okay, then insert and link. Okay, now I'm finding the first I want to insert. Okay, now I'm inserting this link. Okay, so what I will do, copy link address. I have copied this link address. Go to my PowerPoint presentation, and here in the link, I will insert this link. This link. Okay. Now, when I will do the slideshow, see slideshow from current slide, then I will click on this. Okay, so this method I am using in my lesson. Okay, teacher, anything else? I have learned by trial and error method, and I'm sure that everyone will learn this method and our BMC will rock.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Smita ma'am. Yes.
Is this session going on YouTube?
No, not live.
Smita ma'am.
मैम
Okay.
मैम
Very nice, Smita
ये
teacher.
और भी लैंग्वेज में उपलब्ध है क्या? हिंदी,
क्या?
मराठी?
हाँ मैडम, आप मैंने वो हिंदी मराठी ट्राई नहीं किया, लेकिन वर्ड वॉल में हम टाइप करके देख सकते हैं, जैसे हम गूगल फॉर्म में हिंदी में टाइप करते हैं, इंग्लिश में मराठी में टाइप करते हैं, उस तरह से मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया, मैंने इंग्लिश में ही ट्राई किया है।
जैसे लिविंग थिंग नॉन लिविंग थिंग आप बता रहे हैं,
हाँ
तो
हाँ,
वो सजीव निर्जीव ऐसे आएगा क्या?
कोशिश करना, देखना पड़ेगा, मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है, वी कैन ट्राई करके देख सकते हैं।
ओके मैम, थँक यू.
हाँ
ऍक्च्युली आपल्या 6वी मराठी BMC एज्युकेशन चॅनलला स्मिता गांधी मॅडम इंग्रजीचे लेसन खूप छान घेतात, एकदम एक्सलंट घेतात. आणि म्हणून आपल्या विभाग निरीक्षका सन्माननीय उमरे मॅडम यांनी ठरवलं की आपण हे लेसन म्हणजे कशा प्रकारे त्या वेगवेगळ्या आयडिया वापरतात ते आपल्या शिक्षकांना कळू दे, आणि म्हणून आपण हा सगळा वेगळा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. गांधी मॅडम, अजून काही बोलायचं का तुम्हाला?
नहीं मैडम, कोणाला काही विचारायचं असेल तर, आणि हे सगळे आप देख सकते हो यूट्यूब BMC एडू मराठी 6 स्टैंडर्ड के चैनल पर आप देखेंगे तो अलग अलग टाइप्स, हर लेसन में मैंने अलग टाइप्स की गेम लिया हुआ है, तो आइडियाज आ सकते हैं कि किस टाइप की गेम्स ले सकते हैं। ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स मैडम?
मैम प्लीज अपना नंबर शेयर करिए.
श्योर। I have shared my number. Oh, sorry, this is, you can write my number 922 4295 620.
ओके मॅम, उमरे मॅडम.
मैम
हा आहे. खूपच छान स्मिता मॅडम, तुमचं खूप खूप अभिनंदन.
Thank you, madam. All this is because of you. You gave me confidence. You believed in me और मैंने ट्राई किया, कोशिश किया. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन धीरे धीरे कोशिश किया, सीखा, और आज मैंने चाहा कि मैंने जो सीखा है वो मैं दूसरे के साथ भी शेयर करूं, तो अपनी पूरी BMC को बेनिफिट मिल सकता है. सो आई ट्राइड टुडे.
वो तो है ही, लेकिन मला असं सांगायचं आहे की आपण बघा, आधी प्रत्येक गोष्टीला नकारार्थी करत जातो, परंतु जेव्हा आपण करायला लागतो तेव्हा आपल्याला खरंच छान छान सगळ्या गोष्टी यायला लागतात. तर मला खात्री आहे की सर्व शिक्षकांना आजचा जो भाग आहे तो फार उपयोगी पडणारा आहे असं मला वाटतं. यांचे लेसन पाहत असताना सर्वांनाच वाटत होतं की ह्या कुठून एवढे छान छान गेम आणतात, आणि ही उत्सुकता जशी मला वाटत होती तसं इतरांनाही वाटत असावी असं मला वाटलं. आणि निशा साळुंखे मॅडम आणि मी ठरवलं की यांचा आपण असा फक्त शिक्षकांसाठी वेगळा एक एपिसोडच म्हणू याला आपण. पूर्ण जवळजवळ बघा 1 तास पण आपल्याला वाटत होतं जास्त होईल, पण जवळजवळ 1.5 तास व्हायला आलेला आहे, आणि छान छान गेम. तर आपण वर्गामध्ये शिकवत असताना वेगळ्या वेगळ्या गोष्टींचा वापर करून खेळातून शिक्षण, आनंददायी शिक्षण असं आपण विद्यार्थ्यांना देत आहोत. पण आत्ताच जो आपण तंत्रज्ञान वापरत आहोत ते आपल्या सर्वांसाठी नवीन आहे, आणि तोचपणा येऊ नये, विद्यार्थ्यांना मजा यावी. आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा म्हणजे मला तर वाटतं, मला स्वतःलाही या सर्व गोष्टी काही येत नव्हत्या, तर ह्या पाहून आपल्याला सगळ्या येत आहेत. तर या सर्व वेबसाईटचा वापर आपल्याला करता येईल. सर्व शिक्षकांना, जवळजवळ आज 200 लोक आपण इथे जॉईन आहोत, तर 200 लोकांना याचा नक्की फायदा होईल. आपले मुख्याध्यापक पण जॉईन आहेत, त्यांना पण, म्हणजे आपण आता पुन्हा हे नवीन शिकत आहोत, टेक्नोसवी होत आहोत म्हणा, किंवा नवीन नवीन तंत्रज्ञान आपण शिकवत आहोत. तर ह्या सर्वांसाठी आपल्याला याचा नक्की फायदा होईल. आणि आता मॅडमनी दाखवलं की सर्व विषयांसाठी आपण याचा कसा वापर करू शकतो. तर मला खात्री आहे तुम्ही सर्वजण याचा वापर कराल. आणि पुन्हा एकदा स्मिता गांधी मॅडम, बघा तुम्ही नाही नाही म्हणता, पण फेमस होत चालले आहेत. तर सिलेक्शन कधी चुकत नाही असं आहे. तर माझं सिलेक्शन खरंच मला फार बरं वाटतं, असं जेव्हा मी सिलेक्ट केलेली माणसं अशी छान छान काम करतात तेव्हा. तर पुन्हा एकदा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच, आणि खूप अभिनंदन पण, आणि पुढच्या वाटचालीसाठी तुम्हाला शुभेच्छा पण देते.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for giving me such an opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, madam. Yes, we can end this.
Okay, we can leave now.
थँक यू स्मिता गांधी मॅडम. छान
Thank you.
एकदम उत्तम प्रकारे तुम्ही आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन केलं.
Thank you, madam.
All of you, I want to thank all of you for attending this lesson and encouraging me. Thanks everyone.
मुझे एक बोलना था. In June first week when we joined our central ward war room, and that time हम लोग मैं और स्मिता एक साथ काम कर रहे थे.